Hi, this is Phil with ABIS Mobile Security. I want to show you the function of the trigger alarm 345 and 350. The trigger alarm 345 uses a 5mm bolt to mount into any of the vent holes on your rotor. The 350 uses a 10mm bolt that will mount into the larger vent holes. What's neat is that the 10mm bolt actually locks on both sides, so you have added security against prying. Another interesting function about the trigger alarm is that you can actually lock it in the off position, which means the alarm will not function. This gives you the chance to use the trigger as a non-alarm dislock in cases of transport or situations where you know that the bike is going to be moved. You want to make sure that the alarm isn't going to be going off. To mount this lock using the alarm, slide onto the brake rotor, six beeps will let you know that it's armed, and now an impact is required to set it off. Trigger alarm 345 and 350. Great shock sensitive alarm system, reasonable price. When you need security, go ABIS. Thanks for listening.